In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Shopify in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for anyone running an online store as it allows you to accept payments seamlessly and securely. So let's dive right in and make your Shopify store ready to accept Stripe payments. First things first, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. If you're familiar with the login page, this step should be straightforward. Enter your credentials and you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing your online store, and it's where we'll begin this integration. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page filled with various options to customize and configure your store. For our purposes, we'll be heading to the Payments section. This section is crucial because it's where you manage how customers will pay for their purchases. Now within the Payments section, locate and select the option labeled Choose a Provider. This is where you can select the payment providers that best fit your needs, and today we'll be focusing on Stripe. Scroll through the list of available providers and look for Stripe. Once you've found Stripe, click on it and you'll see a prompt to enter your Stripe email. This step links your Shopify store to your Stripe account, so make sure you use the email associated with your Stripe account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one on the Stripe website before proceeding. After entering your email, you'll want to hit the Connect button. This action initiates the connection process between Shopify and Stripe. It's important to wait for the prompted instructions rather than rushing through them. Keep in mind that security is a top priority, so don't skip any of the verification steps. The final part of this process is to follow the steps provided to verify and fully connect your Stripe account with Shopify. Stripe will guide you through a series of prompts. This might include verifying your personal information or business details to ensure everything is set up correctly and securely. Once completed, your Shopify store is now integrated with Stripe, enabling you to accept credit card payments from your customers with ease. Remember to always monitor your transactions regularly to keep track of your business finances and ensure everything runs smoothly. Connecting Stripe to Shopify is a powerful way to enhance your store's payment capabilities. By offering this flexibility, your customers will have a more convenient shopping experience, potentially increasing your business's reach and profitability. Thank you for tuning in, and happy